Welcome back. Today we are looking at the OM system Olympus MZuiko Digital 75300mm F4867 for review, built for quality results. There is a distinct, heart-pounding moment when you unbox high-grade enterprise technology for the first time. As a data systems architect deeply entrenched inches integrating robust cognitive computing environments, my workflow usually revolves around heavy rack servers, neural network accelerators, and heavy-duty analytics suites. Check the video description for the updated price link. However, modern deployment scenarios often demand unconventional physical layer monitoring, remote edge node surveillance, and high-precision visual data collection to feed into real-time analytical pipelines. That is precisely why our engineering team decided to evaluate the OM system Olympus MZuiko Digital 75-300mm F4867, uniquely repurposed here as a specialized optical acquisition node within our experimental IBM Watson enterprise hardware ecosystem. When this compact telephoto zoom lens arrived at our lab, the initial impression was staggering. Weighing a mere fraction of traditional high-magnification telephoto setups, it promised to bridge the gap between lightweight portability and extreme focal reach. For organizations looking to expand their cognitive vision applications ranging from automated infrastructure inspection to remote telemetry logging, understanding how standard optical components interface with edge computing hardware is vital. If you are exploring broader operational setups, you might also want to check out this related product guide to see how ergonomics and structural design play a role in its heavy-duty deployment. The laboratory was quiet, save for the low hum of server blades cooling down. On the central workbench lay the sleek matte black cylinder of the OM system 75-300mm lens. My first interaction with the device began with uncapsuling its protective layers. Right out of the box, the build quality struck a balance between lightweight engineering and rugged dependability. Mounting it onto our Micro Four Thirds sensor chassis acting as a remote sensor interface for our IBM Watson Edge Analytics rig felt seamless. The bayonet mount clicked into place with absolute mechanical precision, assuring me that data integrity at the physical optical layer would not be compromised by loose tolerances. Twisting the zoom ring for the first time was an eye-opener. Moving smoothly from the wide 75mm and all the way out to the staggering 300mm extremity, which provides a 35mm equivalent field of view of 600mm. The rotation was butter smooth, yet offered enough resistance to prevent accidental shifts. Looking through the digital viewfinder tied to our remote monitoring terminal, distant structural anomalies on our outdoor test track leaped into sharp, crystalline focus. It was as if a veil had been lifted, allowing our enterprise AI models to ingest high-definition visual inputs from hundreds of meters away with pristine clarity. To successfully integrate an optical peripheral into an enterprise-grade hardware stack, it must possess exceptional specifications. The OM system 75-300mm F4867 brings several standout features to the table: extensive telephoto reach spanning 75mm to 300mm, 600mm equivalent. It allows data capture from extreme distances without physical proximity risks. Compact and lightweight form factor, weighing only about 423 grams. It minimizes structural strain on automated panning heads and remote mounts. Zero coating technology. Olympus MZuiko extra low reflection optical zero coating effectively eliminates ghosting and flare, ensuring clean, high-contrast imagery for machine vision processing. MSC movie and still compatible mechanism provides ultra-fast, nearly silent autofocus performance, crucial for automated tracking scripts and real-time event triggers. Optimized Micro Four Thirds mount delivers maximum compatibility with a wide range of compact industrial housings and remote camera enclosures. Check the link in the description to get yours today.